Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to the Max class. Children, your father bought you 5 chocolates. If you eat 2 chocolates among them means how many chocolates will be left? Good. 3 chocolates will be left. What you have done here? From 5, you have taken away 2. So taking away means subtraction. So today our topic is subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? Taking away something from a group or number of things is called subtraction. The sign of subtraction is minus. In subtraction, the number from which another number is to be subtracted is called minuend. The number that is subtracted from the minuend is called subtrahend. And the answer we get after subtraction is called the difference. For example, if 3 is taken away from 9, we get the answer 6. That is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Here 9 is called minuend, 3 is called subtrahend and 6 is called the difference. Let us know one more example. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Here 13 is minuend, 6 is subtrahend and 7 is difference. Do you know, children? Difference, left, subtract, minus, take away, etc. are the words which means subtraction. That means if we find these words in the question means we have to do subtraction. See this image? How many balls are there? There are 6 balls. If we take away 2 balls, how many balls will be left? Good. There will be 4 balls left over. That means 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Here 6 is minuend, 2 is subtrahend and 4 is difference. See this another image, children. How many birds are there in this image? There are 4 birds. If one of the bird flew away means how many birds will be left there? Yes, there will be 3 birds. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here 4 is minuend, 1 is subtrahend and 3 is difference. Now let us learn subtraction facts. First fact. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, you are having 5 apples. Your mother told you to share the apples with your sister. You have given 0 apples to your sister. How many apples will be there with you now? Yes, you will have 5 apples with you, as you have not given any apples to your sister. That is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So, if 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be the number itself. Let us see some more examples. 66 minus 0 is equal to 66. 40 minus 0 is equal to 40. 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. And 368 minus 0 is equal to 368. And the second subtraction fact is, when we subtract 1 from any number, we get the previous number or its predecessor. For example, see this image. How many mangoes are there? There are 3 mangoes. If you eat one of the mango means, how many mangoes will be left over? Good. 2 mangoes. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Here 2 is the predecessor of 3. So, if 1 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be the predecessor of that number. Let us see some more examples. 65 minus 1 is equal to 64. Here 64 is the predecessor of 65. 88 minus 1 is equal to 87. Here the difference 87 is the predecessor of 88. And 500 minus 1 is equal to 499. Here 499 is the predecessor of 500. And now let us learn about the third subtraction fact. When a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0. For example, see this image. How many flowers are there in this image? There are 5 flowers. If you pluck 5 roses means, how many flowers will be left? Good. 0 flowers will be left. Because there won't be any flowers for the plant as you have plucked all the 5 flowers. That is, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, if any number is subtracted from itself, the difference will be 0. Let us see some more examples. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 216 minus 216 is equal to 0. And 700 minus 700 is also 0. Understood, children? Once again, let us recall the 3 facts. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. And the second fact, when we subtract 1 from any number, the difference is the previous number or its predecessor. And the next fact, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Understood, children, about the 3 facts? That's all for today's class. In the next class, I will continue with subtracting 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Now, note down today's assignment. Find the difference of the following. 8 minus 5, 7 minus 3, 9 minus 0, 34 minus 0, 18 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 24 minus 24. 602 minus 602. Okay children, thank you.